Hi, Unitronics welcomes you to a quick overview of UniLogic for Unistream. Fast and easy to use, UniLogic all-in-one software answers all of your development needs. Hardware configuration, all communications, ladder and C functions, the design of your HMI and web pages, the ability to implement data tables, recipes, alarms, and much, much more. UniLogic is so efficient that you can slash your development time in half. One reason is that you never search for anything. The Solution Explorer has it all. Let's begin by looking at hardware configuration, reduced here to a very simple process. As you drag and drop and configure hardware elements, UniLogic automatically creates a struct of data tags to support it. Here we demonstrate a very simple procedure, defining a temperature input. All you need to do is click and select the required options. UniLogic only reveals relevant options, a fact which allows you to work much more efficiently. Next up is communications, fast and easy. As you can see, protocols are organized on the Solution Explorer. UniLogic reduces communication tasks to simple matters of configuration for complex protocols such as CANopen or Ethernet IP. You enter parameters into a grid. No ladder programming is required. You simply define the tags that Unistream uses to exchange data during a communication session, and you set a time interval, RPI, that determines the data exchange rate. Here you can see how easy it is to add a network node in Ethernet IP. That's all there is to it. And now, the most important part of your application, ladder development. Fast, easy. Ladder development slashed in half. Really, it speaks for itself. Just watch. All commands are conveniently located in the ladder toolbox. Building ladder is essentially error-proof. Legal attachment points are highlighted in green. You can also type. IntelliSense simply whittles down the list of available functions. You can build long and complex ladder. The ladder net expands automatically. Let me show you how easy it is to link data tags. Only data tags of the required type are shown. As you type, IntelliSense narrows the choices accordingly. Many of the tags that you see here were automatically created by UniLogic during PID configuration. In addition to the structs that are created automatically by UniLogic, you can create your own structs. This is a tremendous convenience. Next up is fast, easy HMI display design. UniLogic enables you to create beautiful, effective screens with minimal effort. Drag and drop elements and widgets onto the screen, then simply define your properties. Watch how easy it is to drop a gauge widget onto a screen and configure the appearance and style to suit your application. You can drastically change the appearance and even the shape of this gauge simply by using the click down properties. Now we will demonstrate how you can create a button that, when touched, can switch HMI languages. Watch how simple it is. After you place an image element on the screen, you simply navigate to the UniLogic graphic library, supplied with UniLogic at no additional cost, and then select an image. Here we select Italy from the flag library. The next step is to add an HMI action. We then select the type of action. Actions both in HMI and ladder are a built-in way to implement a broad variety of tasks. Now, watch Unistream live via VNC. When I click the button, the text language changes instantly. Right and left and Asian languages are also supported. UniLogic also features the ability to rotate images, as well as the ability to adjust image opacity. UniStream supports media files. You can, for example, use the built-in PDF viewer to display manuals on screen for your machine operators. Operators can actually page through the PDF online in order to find any desired information. You can also play sound and video files. Here is an example from the UniLogic demo application. Our next subject is web page design. You do not need to know any HTML at all to build complex, beautiful web pages. Let's begin by taking a quick look at the web page editor. It looks familiar, doesn't it? It is almost identical to the HMI editor. The Web Toolbox offers many of the same widgets, and you configure them in exactly the same way. Now take a look at this completed web page, which was completely designed in the editor. When UniStream is online, a user can use any browser to access the IP of the panel and view the page. Next, alarms. UniStream's built-in alarms comply with ISA guidelines for the process industries. All you need to do is to define the conditions and parameters, aided by the graphic illustrations that you see on screen. Let's watch alarms live via VNC. In addition to displaying the alarms themselves, this system can also display messages. Operators can touch the bar, here displayed at the bottom of the screen, in order to access the full list of alarms. Here they can be viewed, acknowledged, and messages regarding actions to be taken can be read. UniLogic brings you the benefits of build it once, then reuse. Meet UDFBs, User-Defined Function Blocks. You can define input and output parameters for any ladder function. You can drag and drop it anywhere, link tags to the inputs and outputs, and the UDFB will run as part of your program. UDFBs can be imported and exported between projects or stored in your library. You can also store HMI screens and web pages in your library. You can then drag and drop them anywhere. UniLogic takes care of the tags. And you can use your library across all of your projects. UniLogic offers even more features and tools that boost your project range and your price-profit ratio. A good example is the built-in C editor. You simply type or copy-paste in your code. You can use C functions as UDFBs, just like ladder functions. Meet our data management tools, tools to log, store, and edit data via ladder. UniLogic enables you to create and execute recipes. You can also edit and display live data via HMI, or, as you see here, display live data trends via the built-in web server. And how about messaging? Do you need to communicate data to a device via a third-party protocol? Do you want UniStream to communicate via SMS, text, or email? The principle is the same: drag and drop. In all cases, the consistency of UniLogic raises your efficiency. Thank you for watching this short overview of UniLogic, the award-winning all-in-one software that slashes your development time in half.